Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to customize our Wix gallery. So let's get started. Click on the gallery element, then go to the All Design Options button on the action bar above this button. This small window will appear, and here you will see a drop-down button. So this is where you can switch items or parts you want to work on. So if you click this button, you'll see we can choose our Wix gallery, gallery layout, gallery item, media, media overlay, title, and the next button. So these are actually the components of our Wix gallery, and we can work on their designs or customize them through this drop down over here. So say for example, we want to work on our Wix gallery first. Let's select Wix gallery. And for that, we can customize its fill colors, borders, corners, shadow, and spacing. So go ahead and customize that however you want to. Once you're done with that, you can move on to your gallery layout, where you can customize your spacing and layout. And basically, you just work your way down to the last item that you want to customize and design it according to your needs and preferences. And once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.